I would like to show you one of the simplest methods of weaving using things that you have around the house. You will need firm card, string for the warp threads, coloured yarn or fabrics and scissors. Cut slots or grooves evenly on either side of the card. Wrap the string around the card, leaving approximately 5 inches to tie both ends together. Also, ensure that you have an even number of threads in your warp. Now you have completed your warp threads, which are the threads that come down. You are ready to start weaving. The weft threads are the threads that go across. Choose your thread. Start by going under the first warp thread, over the next, continue under and over until you reach the end. Continue back by going over the warp threads that you went under and under the warp threads that you went over in the previous line. You need to leave a little loop at the end so that you keep the shape of your weave. Carry on going under and over. When changing colour or when you have run out of yarn, overlap the previous yarn by 2 or 3 warp threads and carry on. Once complete, cut the warp threads from behind, allowing enough string to tie knots. Tie 2 together at a time on both sides.